Hello and welcome to the class for tight neck and shoulders. So what we're going to do today will help you to relieve the tension in your shoulder area and also your neck, which is getting tight really quickly with our stressful lifestyle. So my name is Paula Rubis, I'm CEO of Neosutras, and I will be guiding you through practice today. Let's begin. For your practice, you may need 2 blocks if you need to bring floor closer to you. Otherwise, you just need the floor, the mat, and maybe the glass of water. So we're going to start in a position, all fourth. I will ask you to place your hands shoulder distance width and just shift yourself left and right, finding the perfect center. Suck your tummy in and push the earth away. This is very important. So you push in with the shoulders, elongating your neck, and we're going to start rounding our spine. Inhale back to neutral. And again, rounding and back to neutral. Right hand goes right in the middle, left hand goes up. So here we're performing this little twist. Inhale up, exhale down. Again, inhale up, exhale down. And as you see, I'm repeating it for a few times. So each time you go in a little bit deeper in your twist and hold, lift, 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 lift. And now we're going to thread the first needle. So this hand goes right in. You're going to drop the shoulder down on the earth like this and your ear down like this. If you need to modify with the block, you can use the block and put it like this right under your head. Otherwise, just place your ear on the floor. This hand will support you on the other side. And you can be fine just here. If you would love to increase the stretch, you can extend your left leg back and you can extend your right hand forward, just like that. And the advanced version is when you lift your left leg up and you keep twisting, drop it down, bring your right hand in, inhale, push. Beautiful. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Inhale your right hand up, twist, and little flying movements. Inhale, exhale, inhale, expansion, exhale, back, inhale, expansion. That's also very healthy for your back mobility. And inhale, and back. Couple more. And last one we're going to hold. That was a warm-up. Inhale here. Now thread your right hand in, drop your right shoulder down, just like that. So do not extend your left hand forward and your right leg back if you don't feel comfortable here. So as soon as I feel stability, I'm extending my right leg back and my left hand forward. Now I can lift. Lift and hold and slowly drop. Again, if it's not comfortable for you, just stay here on all fours. Enjoy the stretch. Left hand goes here, reach up and down. Beautiful. Now shift back in the child's pose, just like that. And I will ask you, if you would love to stretch deeper, put 2 blocks right in front. If not, just put your hands on the floor. So what do? You're going to place each elbow on the block. And you're going to put your palms in the prayer pose. Make sure your back is flat, no curves, it's flat. And then you're going to slide down, slide down, slide down like you would love to put your armpits on the floor, and you will shift your prayer right behind you on the neck. So in this one, you want to place your armpit down. That is the targeting area. You're opening up your shoulders here, right? So I'm lifting my head because I'm talking, but otherwise just palms together, armpits down. Nice, and release. Coming back to our all fourth position. This time, your right hand goes right in between your shoulders. I will ask you to lift up your left hand, and what we're gonna do, you're gonna touch the elbow with another elbow. On the inhale, lift up, open up. On the exhale, again, touch. And again, open. And lift up elbow high. You're going to see the stretch in your shoulder. Again, lift and back. One more. Hold and release. Same thing with the other side. Place your hand behind your head. 90-degree angle. Inhale, open. I feel it a lot in here. Exhale, even though my hands are pretty flexible. Inhale. So your emphasis goes towards the lifting the elbow up, and exhale, drop. Inhale, pointing that elbow in the ceiling and back. And last one. Hold, 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 and release down. Go back in the child's pose. Hips between the legs. Extend your arms forward. Elongate your back. And one more time, hands to prayer, armpits down to the earth, and bring the prayer on top of your head. Now release, roll up. The next exercise, place the block or pillow under the bottom and open your legs shoulder distance width. Now we'll ask you to place your palms on the waist. Take inhale, drop the shoulders. And now start connecting your elbows together. So the same principle, we're just doing a little butterfly movements here. Forward and back. That opens up the arms. Keep your back flat. And then you're going to use your legs power to squeeze your elbows together. So now you're releasing your shoulders, you're relaxing your arms, and you're using your knees to push your elbows towards one another. And I would recommend also to do these tiny pulses so your muscles have a space to relax. And that is phenomenal stretch. So in a time when you feel so, just squeeze and hold. And ultimately, one day, your range will be bigger and bigger. If I'm warm enough, I can squeeze my elbows completely together. Right now, I'm not that warm, but that's what you do. When you're just spending time here, you may just sit and relax. It's a phenomenal stretch for your nerve system, for just general calmness. And tilt forward just a little bit, push, 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 and let go. And the last exercise for today is the neck. So again, sit comfortably on the block, on the pillow, or just on the floor. And I will ask you to hug the opposite ear with your arm. Inhale here, on the exhale, pull. And then the key point here is to drop the opposite shoulder to elongate the arm, flex your palm. Inhale, exhale, push away. You will feel an elongation in the whole area of your hand, your arm, all the way until your neck. So that is very effective. Neck opener and push away. Once again, push away. And push away. Slowly return back and hug the opposite ear with the opposite arm. As soon as I've done this, I'm already stretching my shoulder down, arm up, bend the elbow, and push the opposite wall. So you're imagining that you're pushing the wall away, shoulders pushes down. You will feel so much calmer right after this one. And slowly let go. So I already feel kind of buzzed after this stretching because ultimately it relaxes. It relaxes your head, it relaxes your mind. I would really recommend to do the stretches once a day before you go into bed for a good sleep. Let me know how it feels for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more wellness advices and practices, and like this video and share it, guys, with those who may benefit from this practice. My name is Paula Rubis. I'm CEO of Neosutras, and I will see you in next wellness episode. Bye for now.